Everyone, welcome back to SYF Garage, and today I got a little bit different video for you. I had to show you this. The coolest thing I've gotten for the garage in a long time. It's the NewAir AB-850B 85 can beverage cooler. And this is gonna stop Jim from getting anything done. I needed a new fridge for the garage. The old one would get too cold, sodas would blow up. Tried this cooler out. I can't believe how many cans of soda you can fit in here. 85 cans. I can't even get Angel to buy enough to fill it up. It's got 7 different temperature settings. You go 64 down to 34, so not cold enough to blow your sodas up, but cold enough to make Jim happy. It's got an LED light inside. Pretty cool. You can turn that on, turn it off. This is where your temperature control is. There's 7 different settings. I got it on number 4 right now, which I believe should be just about right. The door, you can hinge from either side. The best feature is it's got a lock. So you don't want your buddies drinking all your beer. You don't want Jim drinking all your Mountain Dew. Just lock it up until he gets something done, and it'll solve that problem. I don't usually do review videos, but I thought this was really cool, and I was really impressed with the amount of soda or water or whatever you want to put in there that you can fit in here for the size. Let me get a tape measure and I'll measure for you. So it looks like we're just under 25 inches tall, 17 inches wide. I'll go to this side, you might be able to see a little bit better. You can see how deep it is, and that's why it holds so much. About 19 inches. Maybe a little more, 19.5 inches deep with the door. So yeah, really cool. Very happy to be able to have this much. I mean, 85 cans, that'll probably at least a day and a half, and Jim won't be out of Mountain Dew. So, I mean, look how far back that goes. Shelves, removable. There's a couple different positions you can put them in. Tons of room in here. That's the NewAir AB-850B. I believe you can get the same one in a stainless steel. You can check out NewAir.com. They have this. They have a bunch of other cool products. They have a lot of other coolers. They have bigger ones. They have heaters. They have a lot of cool stuff. So, but this is what interested me the most, and NewAir.com. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We'll be back to regular videos shortly, and yeah, go get you a sweet addition to your shop, your man cave, your living room, right next to your lazy boy. You know, pretty much anywhere this would look good.